Good evening. This is the prediction for Tuesday. Before going to that, I would like to review the Monday closing. And Monday, we expected a positive opening somewhere around 0.52. And because of that absolute frequency, as expected, Monday opened somewhere around 0.52, and it has went a little bit higher than that. I'll show you how far it has gone. The resistance level 2, we have other three resistance level, three resistance level 3. And if we select that resistance level 3 and resistance level 2, we can clearly able to see that the next level of 0.52 is 0.77. If we take that and have a calculation in it, 0 instead of 0.52, 0.77, if we take, the market has to reach somewhere around 82 points. And if we added in the previous closing, it shows somewhere around 10,748. If we see the high range of Nifty reached today, almost close to that level, 10,770. 10,778, that is what showing. And you can see that intraday, the high was almost close to it, so it is not broken that level, so it has fallen from there, because we know that our prediction frequency indicated absolute frequencies are in the higher range, so that first possibility is somewhere in 0.46, and we spoke about 1.35. Those are all the other possibilities. So after reaching that high, it doesn't broke that resistance level 3, so it has uh, reached close to it and came down from there. So if we take that level from there, 77, 0.35, so market has to fall somewhere around 145 points. That is what exactly happened. From the high, if we take that 0. 10,000, 10,770, and if it's market has to reach somewhere around 10,625. Almost that is what happened today. It has gone below than that. This is the actual, this is the actual thing, and this is the projection, which 77, if it is reaching somewhere 77, but we expected somewhere around 0.52, but it has gone beyond that, and reached somewhere around the R3 0.77. So after we got two possibilities, 0.46, which already got it, and 1.35 also we spoke about yesterday. And that is also, if we take that 145 points, it is going to come down something like that. We have spoken it yesterday around. So if we calculate that, 145 means almost today's closing was, today low was 10,618.35. So you can clearly see that it has gone almost close to it, and we got hit that 1.35% also. So this is how that our calculation is projecting. Almost we whatever we predicted, it has been hit on the 92 to 95% probability it has gone it. And the same thing today, I mean Tuesday we are going to project it. As per the Nifty previous closing, 10,622.5, we are going to calculate from there. And the absolute frequency is matching somewhere around S2 and S3. Moreover, we got some more additional frequencies added because to my existing paid customers, I have sent the frequency details before itself. But in those frequencies, some frequencies are not there because of it has been added today only. It is something really surprised because after adding that, we got somewhere negative side which is on the high negative side which is added 3.77 and 4.14, and which is going to support the negative very strongly. At this point of time, other global cues are in the mid positive and flat positive. Even US market is on the positive side. Um, but still, in our prediction, it is showing some negatives is very much possible. And S6 Nifty is also showing somewhere in the negative side, flat negative side, around 14.50 points down, 0.14% in the negative side. But all other global cues are in the positive side. US Nasdaq is up around 0.52%, and European markets are in the mid range and flat range in the positive side. But as per our prediction, it is showing 0.46% is very much likely to hit on the first stage, and then it will move towards to 1.25% in the negative side. So if it is happening like that, what are the possibilities? So if it calculating 0.46 from the previous closing, 49 points is going to come down. So 10,579.33 is the first level, and if we take that level into the chart, one day chart, we are getting beautiful picture. Mm, for example, the low you can see uh, on 30th May. 30th May we got the market is open somewhere around 10,579. Okay, and a low is somewhere around 10,555. Sorry, 10,558.45. So if the opening is almost equal to our projection in the Tuesday's prediction, 10,579.33. So there we have one support level. The market is going to open in the negative side. We have strong support level in the 10,579. You can clearly see that on 30th May, the market has opened around 10,579, and the next possible so market and the next possibility is 1.25% in the negative. If we calculate that in consideration, market may reach somewhere around 10,496.11. If we check out that 10,000 10,496, here it is on 13th April, 10,495 there is an opening, but that is not going to support the support is going to be somewhere around 10,524. If it is breaking that level, it is going to go towards 10,419.80. So, market may reach the first level of 0.46% because the absolute frequency is there, and then the next level is 1.26. So if you calculate those, I mean if we added those two, 0.46 and 1.25, the market may go down towards 10,447.55, and these are all the three possibilities. So I'm still expecting market may go towards some extent somewhere around 0.06. Definitely tomorrow that is going to hit. We can take an average, entire average. It is showing 0.91% in the negative side, and if we take the average of the absolute frequency itself, it is showing 0.95. So what we can able to get conclusions, it is going to be somewhere around 0.85% to 0.91% in the negative side. Closing is very much possible. If we take that it is at 0.85% in the negative side, so market may lose somewhere around 90% in 90 points, and the 10,538 is the next level, 10,538. See, it is clearly now showing 10,533 is the opening of 25th May. So there is a one strong another support. After that, 10,579, which is clearly says 0.46% is aligning there. And if we take the average, we are getting somewhere around 0.85 to 0.91. So instead of going towards 1.25%, it may sustain somewhere around 0.85% to 0.91%. That is the indication is showing. Let's see what the market is giving to us. Thank you.